In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily back up your camera roll on Snapchat. Keeping a backup of your camera roll is important in case you accidentally delete photos or lose your device. To get started, open up the Snapchat app and then tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right. And then scroll down a bit and tap Memories. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Smart Backup. Go ahead and toggle on this switch to enable this option. Once you've done that, tap where it says Save button. Tap and select the Memories and Camera Roll option. And then go back and tap where it says Auto Save My Story Snaps. Tap and select the Auto Save to Memories option. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.